In this tutorial, we'll take a simple look at the assignment facility. Now, I've already created an assignment for this demo course called the 70s Rock Music Assignment. And what we're going to do is look how to recreate this. So there it is. We'll look at this in detail in a sec. But at the simplest level, assignments can be set up in Moodle, which gives students an online place to access the assignment instructions, as well as upload their completed assignment in soft copy. So here you'll see the instructions. Doesn't really matter what they are. I just wanted to make some sort of example of what students are to do. They can make a Word document or a PowerPoint or a Prezi or a video, etc., etc. Now I'll just show you what this looks like in Student View. To go to Student View, go to Settings, switch role to Student, because the Student View is always a bit different to the Teacher View. So the assignment instructions look the same, but they will click Upload Files to actually upload their assignment. We're going to look at all that sort of detail later, but for now, let's set about to recreate this particular assignment. So I'm going to go back to the course. I'm wanting to put the assignment just under 70s Rock Music Forum. Here's the one we just accessed, but let's recreate that so you can see how it's done. First up, we're going to return to my view, the teacher view. So settings, return to my normal role. This is the teacher view, and the first thing we'll always do is turn editing on. Now, because I want to enter the assignment under here, I will click on Add an Activity in Topic 1. We're still in Topic 1 here. And here are the assignments. You can see that there's 4 types, and we're going to use the upload a single file because that's probably the simplest. After this video, we'll have a look at the extra options that this one uses, advanced uploading files, and the online text and offline activity you can play around with at a later time once you've got some experience. So upload a single file is what we're choosing, and obviously the first thing we're going to do is enter a name for the assignment. What you enter in the description box will appear here. So that's the instructions and images, etc. for your assignment. So you can see here I've just entered in all the text, and now I'm going to format that text. This one is size 36, and I'm going to center that. And so I'm pretty happy with the formatting of that text. Now I need to insert the images. In a later tutorial, I'll go through some more detail on how to insert and crop and size images, but for now I'm just going to go through the basics. So what I'm going to do is put the cursor at a place where I want the image to go. I'm just going to cheat so I can see which image goes there. Right, I know that now. I'm going to click on Insert Image and find or upload an image. Upload a file, browse, and then here I've got these images, and zip goes at the top. So then I upload this file, and there it is. Insert, just to see what's happened there. Yes, I do want to include that without any text. Now what I've done there is I'm going to make sure it's only 700 pixels wide. I have highlighted see how I've just clicked on the image, and I click this button again to edit, and I'll click on Appearance. I'm going to go 700 because I know I've mucked around with this and I know that's what I want. Click in white space, that automatically adjusts the height because it's constraining the proportions. It's keeping the ratio of width and height constant. And now I'm going to update that and go OK. So that's now what I want. And then down the bottom is where the other image goes. So once again, click on the image button, find or upload a file, browse, and we'll take the Floyd and upload that file. There it is. So I'll insert that. then I'll click on the image, re-edit appearance, and bring that back to 700, so they're both the same width. And again, that the height adjusts automatically. Update and OK. And I think that is pretty much all we need. All the spacing's right. So just for now, I'm going to save and return to the course. So here it is. Let's have a look. Your 70s rock music assignment. There it is. Very nice. Nice work, Richard. Now we're just going to take a quick look at some of the basic settings on this assignment. So again, click the update hand and come down the bottom. So available from, or that automatically picks today's date and the time that I've first uploaded it. So it's open from now to the 4th of August, but you can either enable that or disable it. If it's disabled, then it's going to be open at all times, so you can choose when the assignment is available. Grade, you can either have no grade, or I'm going to set this to 20. It means that when I mark it, the assignment will be out of 20. I'm not sure what that category is because it's always uncategorized. Upload a single file. Do I want the students to resubmit or not? Well, I'm going to choose no. It's either yes or no. So you either do want them to be able to resubmit. I'd say no, because if you've already marked it and they resubmit, it gets complicated. Email alerts to teachers. Don't like it. Leave that off. Maximum file size, we'll set that to 1 megabyte, except that if they're going to be creating videos, you will have to increase that. Now the maximum's 20, and kids these days probably have no idea what file size they're creating. In fact, a lot of people don't realise, so they could easily be, even if you set it at 20, they might be producing a video that is 20 times that size. So come and see us if that's the case. We're going to have to show you how to use Handbrake and how to show them how to reduce their video file size so they can upload it. Group settings, well, this is for the whole class, so therefore you've only got one group, so you don't need to worry about that. Groups is something you'll probably get into later on. So visible, but obviously we want to show this. Now, restricting access, we're not going to talk about restricting access in these tutorials. That's something that it's a much more advanced option and it's pretty cool, but let's just get you creating assignments first and then we can look at that later. For activity completion, students can manually mark the activity as completed. That probably leave that on. And then save and return to the course. So there is our completed assignment spot on our 70s rock music mini course. What I suggest is you have a play with that.